Welcome back for today's trivia. We have 10 basic medical science questions for you to test your knowledge. At the end of the video, don't forget to comment your score. Now let's begin. What is the average normal body human temperature? 36.1 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, or 38.5 degrees Celsius? The answer is B, 37 degrees Celsius. It is considered the average, though slight variations are normal. Which organ is responsible for insulin production? The liver, the pancreas, or the kidney? The pancreas releases insulin to regulate blood sugar. What type of blood is considered the universal donor? AB+, O negative, A positive. O negative blood can be given to people of all blood types. Which vitamin helps with blood clotting? Vitamin A, vitamin K, or vitamin D? Vitamin K plays a key role in blood coagulation. What is the largest organ in the human body? The liver, the skin, or the lungs? The skin is the body's largest organ by surface area and weight. We're already halfway through. If you're enjoying this, please take a moment and subscribe now. Let's proceed. What disease is caused by human immunodeficiency virus? Tuberculosis, AIDS, hepatitis. The answer is B. HIV causes AIDS by weakening the immune system. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebrum, cerebellum, or brainstem? The cerebellum manages fine motor skills and balance. What is the term for high blood pressure? Hypotension, hypertension, hyperglycemia. Hypertension increases the risk of stroke and heart disease. Which medical imaging method uses magnetic fields? CT scan, X-ray, or MRI? MRI uses strong magnets and radio waves. What does BMI stand for? Blood mass index, body mass index, bone mineral intake. The answer is B. BMI is used to assess body weight relative to height. Congratulations, you have completed the quiz. Comment your score below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.